the square of numbers 1. If you square 1, the result is 1, and we have it here. If you square 2, the result is the square of 1 plus the sum of 1 and 2. That gives 1 plus 3, which is equal to 4. Similarly, the square of 3 is equal to the square of 2 plus the sum of 2 and 3. And that is 4 plus 5. That gives 9. The square of 4 is equal to the square of 3 plus the sum of 3 and 4. And that is equal to 9 plus 7, which is the same as 16. The square of 5 is the square of 4 plus the sum of 4 and 5. And that is equal to 16 plus 9. That gives 25. The square of 6 is the square of 5 plus the sum of 5 and 6, which is equal to 25 plus 11, and that gives 36. The square of 7 is equal to the square of 6 plus 6 plus 7, which is 36 plus 13, and that is equal to 49. The square of 8 is equal to the square of 7 plus the sum of 7 plus 8, which is equal to 49 plus 15, and that gives 64. The square of 9 is 8 squared plus the sum of 8 and 9, and that is equal to 64 plus 17. That gives 81. The square of 10 is equal to the square of 9 plus the sum of 9 and 10, which is equal to 81 plus 19, and that is 100. Having gotten this, we want to take a look at the square of numbers ending in 5. Number ending in 5. Their squares will end with 2 5. Let's take, for example, 5. The square of 5 from what we have learned here is equal to 25. The square of 15 is to consider the next number after 1. 1 and the next whole number after 1 is 2. 1 times 2 is 2. So we write 2 and we write 25 after it. The square of 25 is going to be 2 times the next whole number, that is 2 times 3, and the result is 6. Then write 25 after. The square of 35 becomes 3 times the next whole number, which is 3 times 4. That gives 12, then 25. The square of 45 is 4 multiplied by the next whole number, 4 times 5, 20, 25. The square of 55 from the pattern becomes 5 times 6, 30, 25. The square of 65 becomes 6 times 7, 42, 25. The square of 75 becomes 7 times 8, which is 56, 25. The square of 85 is 8 times 9, 72, 25. The square of 95 becomes 9 times 10, that gives 90, 25. This is how we have this pattern of squares which we can get. Let's take a look at 76. The square of 76 using this method is 75, the previous number before 76. 75 squared plus the sum of 75 and 76. 75 squared is 5625 plus 151, which is the sum of 75 and 76. Adding this together, we have 5776. But there's another method of getting square of number, and that is 76 squared is the same thing as 76 times 76. What do we do in this case? We now take 7 out into 76 now plus 6. We have taken 7 out, which is here. Now the 6 is added to 76, multiplied by 10, plus the square of 6. Let's take a look at this. 7 into 82. 82 is from 76 plus 6, then everything multiplied by 10, plus 36, which is the square of 6. Multiplying 82 by 7, that is 574 times 10, 5,740, plus 36. This gives this again. If you look at what we have here, is another method. So we have various methods of getting square of numbers. Looking at what we have here below, 7 times 7, let me repeat that here clearly. 76 times 76. 7 times 7, that is 49. 6 times 6, that is 36. Now, you now cross multiply. 7 times 6, 42. Because there are 2 of them. 42 in 2 places is 84. Write 84 in the middle part and add 6, 3 plus 4, 7, 9 plus 8, 17. We carry 1, 1 plus 4, 5. So we have gotten the answer to 76 squares in 3 different ways. And that is why square of numbers can be gotten in various forms. Thank you.